Nobody wants to get stuck in a sticky situation while surviving in the great outdoors. And the best way for getting out of these situations is to stay prepared with skills and required survival tools. Otherwise, you may find yourself going through hard times in the woods. Having said that, in today's video, we'll be talking about some of the essential gear for surviving, and we'll introduce the top 10 wilderness survival gear and survival tools on Amazon. So, let's get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Navigate the great outdoors with the Suunto 830NH USGS, a worthy tool balance for the Northern Hemisphere. It'll guide you to reach your destination without going through any hassle. This survival compass comes with a plastic bezel and high-grade steel needle with jewel bearings that help you map out routes precisely. Besides, it's got luminescent markings for low-lighting viewing. And to make observations much clearer, this compass contains a magnifying lens which will benefit you while using maps. Finally, weighing around 1.13 ounces, this survival tool is super easy to carry around, and it also features a lanyard system to facilitate conveying out in the wild. You know, a flashlight is an essential tool not only while surviving in the woods, but also comes in handy during commuting to different places in low-light conditions. So, we've decided to keep one of the best flashlights of present times on our list, and that is the Simpeak hand crank flashlight. You may have barely found any flashlight that runs on battery, solar power, and hand power. Yeah, this one does. It has an integrated solar panel, which absorbs a strong, medium, and even lamplight to recharge itself. Furthermore, this flashlight contains a hand crank system, and by cranking it for just 1 minute, you can get up to 10 minutes of brightness. Speaking of the design and carrying convenience, this flashlight has a rugged and ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold. And because it weighs 3.3 ounces, carrying becomes a breeze. At this point of this video, we want to talk about a whistle named HyperWhistle, because while whirling around in the wilderness, you may encounter danger at any moment, and a whistle, which can produce a high-pitched sound, can save your day. This survival whistle can yield a sound of up to 142 decibels, which is a way higher output than traditional mouth-blown whistles and can reach up to 2 miles. But that much sound can hamper your eardrums, and so it includes hearing protectors. Apart from that, this whistle also comes with a clip neck lanyard for convenient carry. Last but not least, the best fact regarding the whistle is that it weighs under 1 ounce, which means you will merely feel anything bulky swinging around your neck. A good fire can bring back your lost confidence in a survival situation. Considering that we've listed the Zippo EFK emergency fire kit on our list, which makes lighting up the fire a breeze. Crafted from reusable ABS plastic, its canister has a rugged and durable construction. Besides, this fire starter kit is also water resistant and even floats on water, making it ideal for use in any weather condition. The fire starter kit comes with 5 paraffin wax-coated spark tinders for starting the fire in a snap, and each of them burns for up to 5 minutes. You can ignite them using the flint wheel, which will last for up to 1,700 sparks. Without food, you can survive a couple of days, but without water, you may not survive at all out in the woods. So, the surviving gear list will seem incomplete without a high-quality water filter, and we've listed the best one, the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. This straw-shaped water purifier is made of BPA-free materials, has a hollow membrane, and 0.2-micron pores. Hence, it can filter out up to 4,000 liters of water, even if it contains 99.99% of bacteria, parasites, microplastics, dirt, and protozoa. Overall, this water filter is backed by essential features and will serve you the best performance for an extended period. As the list goes up, you start to see tools which are way more essential than the previous one on our list. Right now, we'll be talking about the Paracord, titled SurvivorCord XT. This Paracord features 36 individual strands, which are braided into 12 robust 3-strand yarns. Alongside that, it houses a waterproof twisted jute fiber strand, which will assist you in starting the fire in an emergency. The Survival Paracord also features a fire-resistant Kevlar strand with a tensile strength of 110 pounds, and you can use this strand for several chores, from binding tools together for securing food over the fire. Lastly, this 19-ounce Paracord boasts a fishing line as well, which can tolerate up to 25 pounds of weight, so catching a small game becomes an effortless job while surviving. It becomes quite challenging to accomplish some cutting chores like splitting big logs, etc., without using any hatchet during survival in the wild. That's why we've included the Schrade Survival Hatchet on our list. Crafted from 3CR13 stainless steel, its 3.8-inch long blade ensures jaw-dropping cutting performance in all weather conditions. Furthermore, this hatchet comes with an ergonomically designed handle made out of glass-reinforced fiber, ensuring a more secure and comfortable grip. Finally, this 23.04-ounce hatchet features a high-quality sheath made from polypropylene thermoplastic, which makes carrying easier. It's not always possible to gather and eat healthy food during survival. However, still, you can remain healthy by having natural food that comes in a wrapped package in different forms, like this Nature's Juice Bar Emergency Ration Kit. This Nature's Juice Bar is available in 2 different flavors, cranberry coconut and lime. It's made from healthy superfood ingredients to keep you energetic even in the most extreme conditions. The best fact regarding these protein bars is that they last for up to 32 months without any refrigeration and are FDA and NATO approved, are gluten-free, don't contain any trans fat, additives, or any fillers. Weather can change at any moment, so it would be excellent to be prepared with shelter while exploring the great outdoors. After thoroughly researching, we found this Go Time Gear Life tent a great one to bring along. Equipped with extra thick tear and puncture-resistant polyethylene, this survival tube tent is going to stand up to extreme conditions. It can accommodate 2 persons and keep them warm for hours, reflecting 90% of the body heat. Setting up this tent is super easy with the help of its integrated 20-feet-long paracord. And finally, carrying is also a breeze, as this survival tent weighs only 8.6 ounces. So let's see which is the must-have survival tool on the list, and that is a knife, an excellent one from the renowned brand ESEE. They call it ESEE 6P. Manufactured from 1095 carbon steel, its 6.50 long blade will last for years of abuse without compromising its quality and performance. And the cherry on top is that this draw-point style blade features a textured powder coat finish, making it resistant to rust and corrosion. The survival knife comes with a linen micarta handle, which offers easy gripping. Last but not least, weighing 12 ounces, it contains a molded sheath for a convenient carry experience. So, that was our list for the top 10 wilderness survival gear and survival tools on Amazon, just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.